Hello YouTube, this is Jonathan Violet, and today I'll be doing a memory upgrade from 4 gigs to 8 gigs in a MacBook Pro. Get ready, you're in Vito's Corner. Alrighty, so I picked up this G.Skill 8 gig memory kit from newegg.com for about 95 bucks. It's 204 pen DDR3 1066 memory. PC 8500, pretty standard for a MacBook Pro. And I'll be putting this in a MacBook Pro 13-inch, again going from 4 gig to 8 gig. Tools needed, I've got a standard mini screwdriver kit, and of course the MacBook Pro. Let's go ahead and get started. With this, I'm going to use a small tip Phillips head screwdriver. And let's go ahead and open up the box here. $95 isn't bad compared to what Apple charges. Apple website's up towards $400, so I got this pretty good discount. G.Skill's not a bad brand. Again, if you can see that there, some of the specs. Okay, let's go ahead and buzz through this here. All right, go ahead and pull the hood off. Here's the memory bay. And with most laptops, there's 2 little clips on the side here. See if I can zoom in for you. So what you do is you have to pop these 2 little clips to the side, and it'll pop up just like that. Let me show you from this angle. See, it lifts right up. I've seen some laptops where there was actually 2 bays for each chip, but this one, like most nowadays, are stacked one on top of another. So again, you got to do the same thing. Pop these to the side. The bottom one's always a little more trouble to get out. I have to set this down. You don't want to force it too much, you'll break it, but you can see it pops up just like the first one. It slides right out. Let's go ahead and get the new ones. And you'll see there's a long opening and a shorter opening. So what you do is you basically just match it up. Push it straight down. And again, it's really important that you push it into the slots. Otherwise the machine won't read the memory. Give it a good push. Push down until it clips in. There you go. Those clips should clamp together when you have it seated correctly. Okay, let's go ahead and put this back on. and screw it back in. And there you have it. So again, guys, this has been a memory upgrade from 4 gigs to 8 gigs with some G.Skill memory for a MacBook Pro. Thanks for watching.